Magandang gabi mga kaibigan sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewer dyan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe, pa-press ng subscribe, pa-press ng notification bell, pa-select ng all para man-pe kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Balik na rin ang video at kung gusto nyo i-share nyo na rin. Magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Ito mga kaibigan, wala akong nahunt ngayon ng coins mga kaibigan. Ang daming dumaan sa akin coins, pero wala akong nakurso na daan. Ito, inabot to sa akin ng kaibigan nating janitor. Shout out sa iyo Raquel. To 1U1 1995. Ang value nito sa peso, mag 9 pesos. Bukas ito yung i-update natin. Dumating na nga pala yung aking dalawang order na 1 peso commemorative coin, si Ricarte at De La Costa. Ito'y galing kay The Coin Company. Buksan na natin mga kaibigan. Para siya nga The Coin Company. Kasi yung ano niya, post niya, hiwa-hiwalay yung ano hiwalay si Ricarte, individual, hindi kagaya doon sa nakaraan kay hindi ko nakabisado. Shoutout sa iyo, The Coin Company. May previous din kaya si The Coin Company. May previous nung nakaraan yung mga binilhan ko Yan mga kaibigan. Yan. Silyado talaga o palibot to. Silyado. Yan. Yung isa. Dalawa. May previous din kaya ito si The Coin Company. Parang wala siyang previous. Wala nga. Parang wala siyang previous. Si General Artemio Ricarte. Wala nga previous si The Coin Company. Tsaka si De La Costa. Si Ricarte, De La Costa. Si Ricarte. Si Ricarte ay General Artemio Ricarte, known under the malabo ang ano niya, known under the pseudonym Bebora Viper, teacher, revolutionary, patriot, born in Batak, Ilocos Norte, October 20, 1866. Studied at San Juan de Letran and graduated at the Escuela Normal. 1891 became the Brigadier General of the Magdiwang Council and elected captain of the Tejeros Convention in Cavite. Captured by the Americans in 1900s and exiled to Guam 1901. Refused to recognize American rule and lived in Japan until the start of the war in the Pacific in 1941. Died in Nagparaon, Kalinga, now part of the Hongduan, Ifugao, July 31, 1945. Yan si General Artemio Ricarte. Ito naman si si Father Horacio de la Costa, S.J. Si Father Artemio de la Costa, Horacio de la Costa, S.J. Father de la Costa was born in Mauban, Quezon on 9th of May 1916. He earned his Bachelor in Arts degree from the Ateneo de Manila in 1935 with the highest honor. During the World War II, he was imprisoned in the Fort Santiago for 2 months for bringing clothes and medicine to Americans and Filipino soldiers. He completed his theological studies in Woodstock College, Maryland from 1945 to 1947 and was ordained as a priest on 24th of March 1946. He obtained his PhD from Harvard University, Massachusetts. In 1951, he served as the first Filipino Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences of Ateneo de Manila from 1953 to 1955. He was the first Filipino to become head of the Society of Jesus in the Philippines from 1964 to 1970. In 1965, he received the Republic Cultural Heritage Award from Distinguished Historical Writing. He was a member of the National Historical Commission from 1967 to 1977. Father de la Costa died on 20th March 1977. In 1982, the National Historical Commission of the Philippines recognized his legacy as a historian, religious scholar, and educator by installing a historical marker in his honor of Mauban, Quezon. Mga kaibigan, ito si Reverend Horacio de la Costa, S.J. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwedeng maglambing ng subscribe, papress ng subscribe, papress ng notification bell, paselect ng all para updated kayo sa aking mga video ina-upload. Palike na rin ang video at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi.